Trailhunter is ready right out of the box for overlanding, a type of off-roading where the journey is the focal point, along with similar features found on TRD Pro. Tacoma Trailhunter includes an Old Man Emu suspension, a heavy-duty ARB steel rear bumper with recovery points, tons of underbody protection, a high-clearance trail exhaust, rock rails, a high-mount air intake, and an ARB sports bar, all of which directly contribute to its overlanding capabilities. Plus, an available pre-wired aux switch DC panel connected right to the fuse box makes it easy to install accessories. Both TRD Pro and Trailhunter feature 18-inch wheels wrapped in 33-inch tires, as well as a lifted suspension that's 1 inch higher in the front and 0.5 inches higher in the rear for impressive approach, departure, and breakover angles.